So we have a problem with the frame rails. They're cracked, and I'm going to tackle that now. The plan that I pretty much came up with is I'm going to cut a little bit of this away and kind of just get like a nice flat area since this crack is going up and over this weld, and then drill these out below it, grind everything nice and smooth, try to get in there so we can get a nice clean weld inside, and then make a plate. It's going to be hard to plate over in this section with everything that's going on, but I can plate this side to help spread some of the load, and the same thing on the other side. So that's the plan right now. To do it more of the right way, I need to send forward tubes from the cage to ideally this section right here, right where the shock mounts. But as you can see, it's not really much of an option with your factory booster in play. So to get that done the right way, I need to remove the factory booster and go with the floor mount pedal setup. It's very expensive. I don't know if I want to tackle that right now. So initial thought right at this moment, repair what's there and assess later. So that's what I'm going to do. So after cutting this up and cleaning it up, I can't tell if the crack's going inside underneath this control arm mount. And so I'm thinking I'm going to cut a little bit more of it away just to make sure, because I'd hate to think that's all it is and it actually really is behind that. So I'm going to continue cutting a little bit more just to kind of see what else is back there. So we got the frame rail all fixed. We got it boxed in, welded. It was kind of a little bit of a nightmare because it's aluminum, but my buddy Kyle helped me out. He welded it in. I made these plates, and it's now fixed. You guys might be noticing that behind me, the car has changed colors. I happened to do all this work the other day and I forgot my GoPro at home, so I wasn't gonna go back. It was like a 45-minute drive. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get it done. Sorry guys, meant to film it, my bad. But the car has changed, yeah. It is carbon Kevlar now. So it's HGK's drift body. It's carbon Kevlar. It's super lightweight. It saves 80 pounds on the body. And it's a little bit wider than what the factory's Ep.6 is as well. That was a big process. It took a lot of time to do, so probably saved you guys a lot of time from watching it all. But let's get started on the front windshield. I'm gonna make it removable. I'm gonna use these quick fasteners, Zeus fittings, to get the windshield on and off. And I'm gonna start on it right now. That's gonna do it for today. We have the windshield now installed, all the Zeus fittings, and I even put like a brace in the middle too, off camera. The body's on, the frame's repaired. I think we're in a good place right now to stop and call it a day. So if you like this episode, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.
Game over. Oh man. Oh. Alright. What can I do now? Tetris.